Well, it feels good to be driving old Serotonin again. I am on my way up to Wheaton. Gotta fix my hat. On my way up to Wheaton, got all the flooring, and provided it doesn't all slide around and get all banged up in the process, I'm gonna get it up to my buddy Chris's, and he is gonna do an install for me and build an amazing TV box to hold the new TV that I have not bought yet. And he is going to do an install for me and build an amazing TV box to hold the new TV that I have not bought yet. But I ordered the lift today. It's a whisper lift, and it's going to be incredible. It's going to be the last piece of the puzzle to make old Serotonin right. So I figured if I had my rig out and I was coming over to put propane in it, I should take a few minutes and actually take a look at replacing the furnace boards that I bought. And I got two of them, and one of them is a Fenwall furnace board, and the other one is from Dinosaur Electronics. The Fenwall one came with an adapter to mount it to the existing hookup, and the Dinosaur Electronics actually has both sets. It either has pins or it has the side mount like the existing one. So I think I'm going to try them both and see what happens. I also ordered a sail switch just in case I needed that as well, and I don't think I will. So I'm going to go out and plug these in and see if it fixes one of my furnace problems. So here are the two furnaces, and they go in this compartment here, which just lifts up, and unfortunately it doesn't have a mechanism to hold it up. So I'm going to use my head. And here is the new board with the Dinosaur Electronics, and it's really quite simple. It just slides in there, and this plug gets into it, and this plug gets plugged into it, and we'll see what happens from there. Hopefully it'll work. It's actually really quite simple to access everything. The motor is real easy to get to, the board is real easy to get to. Surprisingly, there's not much to these particular units. A bit of really cool news is you can hear that furnace going now. It's a little rattly, so I got to take a closer look at the motor. But this first one that I replaced the board in, the green light is on, and as Tater told me down in Georgia, he bench tested the motor and said the motor was shot, and just to back that up, I'm putting my hands in there not seeing the wires. That'll end up really well. The motor is shot because I was banging on it. It was making noise and rattling around and trying to go. So I'm just going to order a new motor for that one, a blower motor. And this one is running now. And the reason it is, I took the cover off and noticed that there's this fuse on it. And that fuse was popped. So I pressed the fuse and voila! It sparked up. So there is good heat pumping in the rig right now. Relief! Thank you, Tater. So I couldn't be happier that my furnace is finally working. So to celebrate, I'm going to have Menards fill me up with propane. I did not know Menards has these fill stations until about a month ago, where I feel like an electric car. Like you just plug it in and it fills it up. It's pretty magical. It's actually really easy. Somebody from the store has to come out and do it, but it's way cheaper and it's way more convenient than trying to fit into tight spots in a lot of other parking lots. I just got kind of freaked out because that guy just walked into the scene. Anyway, it's going to be Sophia, my propane guru at Menards here in Plainfield, that's going to be filling up Serotonin. And it's really, really easy. So they basically just take that and come under Serotonin, and I've got that all ready to go. Right now it's at about, just over a quarter tank.
Alright, my dear, I am here.
And here is Sophia, ready to do this. She is good at what she does. Sophia has filled up Serotonin a couple times, so she...
Nope. You gotta pull it up.
I guess I'm too far away. Let me reposition. After a little bit of maneuvering, did we get it in the right spot?
We got it.
Now it just requires my credit card.